Across the world, Muslims face challenges, but inside every Muslim is a spark powerful enough to change history. This is a message to every brother and sister. You were born with purpose. Muslims are not weak. We come from a legacy of thinkers, warriors of peace, scholars, inventors, scientists, and leaders. From the courage of Khalid ibn al-Walid, to the wisdom of Imam Ghazali, to the discoveries of Ibn al-Haytham, our story is not one of fear. Our story is one of brilliance. Being Muslim is not a burden, it's strength. Your salah is strength. Your patience is strength. Your values are strength. Don't hide who you are. Walk with dignity. Allah chose you to be Muslim, and Allah never chooses without purpose. The world today is confused, stressed, and empty. People chase success but lose peace. But Muslims carry something priceless: truth, mercy, justice, and hope. When a Muslim stands firm, when a Muslim speaks truth, when a Muslim helps another soul, they light up the world like stars in a dark night. To empower the Ummah, you must first empower yourself. Strengthen your faith. Educate your mind. Build your skills. Focus on excellence. The Prophet Muhammad said, "The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer." Strength is not just muscles. Strength is knowledge, character, discipline, and Imaan. When Muslims stand alone, they are waves. But when Muslims stand together, they become an ocean. Support each other. Stop judging. Stop dividing. Lift one another. Celebrate each other's success. Unity is not a dream, it starts with you. So rise, O Muslim. Discover your purpose. Build your strength. Hold your faith. And remember, you are part of a nation chosen to lead with mercy, wisdom, and light. Empower yourself, and then you empower the world.